That's a goat. What's gone wrong in my brain? Right, let's do this, let's race. I'm going to brake boost it a bit, not too much.
3, 2, 1.
It did just traction control me.
Seatbelt stuck me in.
I got drubbed. Similar story. It's a better one. Come on now! Even this has got more power, I still didn't catch him, even though it hooked a lot better than before. Easy win really for you, eh, Yanni?
Very easy, mate. Rolling race should be fun, mate.
Let's do the thing.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the new SL won, completing the standing quarter mile in 11.5 seconds. The old SL finished in 12.3 seconds.
Now we have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The cars are in their comfort cruisy mode. Automatic for the gearbox. Let's see what happens. Here we go then. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. This took ages to kick down. The response from the engine was good, but not from the gearbox. Can I catch it for the half mile? Come on! Rolling race once again from 50 miles an hour, but this time the cars are in manual mode and we're starting in third gear. This only has 5 gears, so third gear is probably quite tall. But anyway, 3, 2, 1, go. Great pickup. Come on now. I'm going to have to change them quite early because the delay on the manual shift is so bad. I'm pulling like 2.5 in third at 50. What are you pulling?
4,500.
Okay, we're gonna have to do that again, but I'm gonna be in second because then it's fair. All right, then let's try that again. But I'm gonna be in second and you're in third. 3, 2, 1, go. It's better. Oh, this is flying. Darn it. And gapping him. Woo, this is quick. Do the brake test, let's see what happens. Here we go, here comes the line. The brakes on cars have definitely got better, haven't they?
Yeah, and I'm not going to lie, that 70 mile an hour felt so slow.
And the cars stop so much quicker, don't they, as well?